You're back!
Welcome to our second video of the year. In this video, you're going to see the beginning of our RV renovation. So this is a long time coming. It took us a long time getting the RV renovated. And so in this video, you're going to see a lot of demolition. Are you ready?
Yes.
All right. Back in the RV, gonna do some damage today. It's demo day. We're big fans of Fixer Upper over here. So it is day 3 for RV renovation, and it's going to be a beautiful day, and I really would like to prime today, but I think I'm just going to be pulling up the carpet because it's also Derek's birthday and he wants a pumpkin pie for his birthday cake, which is not a cake. So I'm gonna go home and make that after we pick up groceries, and we're just gonna be busy today. So we're gonna do what we can. We're gonna see what we can get done. I'm gonna see what I can get done. Derek's at work. He's doing a great job there. So here we go. Let's go see what I've done so far. You can see I've taken all the balances off. I've taken off the covers that go around the door. And there is a gap around the door here, so I'm gonna have to either recover that with a different fabric or get some wood and do some sealing there with that. And here's the kids' room. Took the bottom bunks off, as you can see, yesterday. So we're gonna take the carpet up and put some new flooring all throughout. I'm not gonna lie, this is hard work. So I'm feeling a little like Xena, the warrior princess right now, because there was a stubborn piece of carpet that would not come up. And I got it. I did it. Look at these guns. I know I'm weird. Anyway. Okay, so I got the last bit of carpet. This whole area is free of carpet. I'm just going to get this foam up. And then there's edge here that I've got to just kind of take blade to.
I want to see how it looks.
I did, look. That's what's underneath it. Okay.
Are you really videoing me for
Yeah,
people?
I'm videoing her.
Oh, no!
Videoing her? Yes. a lot of the vinyl flooring up. I didn't take the nails out yet, so I have to come back and get all the nails up.
Yay!
Crazy! Where did they get that from? Anyway.
Transformer!
They got Transformers in their lunch, and we're having lunch in here, and we're gonna get the RV all remodeled. So I am removing the booths today, and I think the couch, and getting the flooring up in this area today. That's my goal. And then tomorrow, I'm hoping I can pull up the rest of this. I don't know. Well, the rest of the carpet, yes, but the vinyl up in the kitchen area. Hi there, so I am going to be removing the carpet on a slide, and I'm just going to start right here where it's already kind of lifted up. It actually just was tucked underneath this part, so you just pull it there. Sorry, I keep moving, so just pull it from underneath there, and you pull it all the way out. And you can see underneath you have your transition where the slide lifts and goes over the carpet. So I'm trying not to disturb that too much. That's how you remove flooring. All you need, every girl needs a crowbar, right? And a straight knife or a utility knife, whatever it's called. And that's all you need to pull up flooring in an RV. And then after, actually you need something else. You either need a good hammer, or I like to use these to come through and pull up the nails, because they're going to be nails like this, like they put the wallpaper border. They must have an extra when they were making the RV. And they're like, I'll just stick it here. Nice little sticker. Anyway, so later you want to pull up the nails, use this tool. And you kind of just grab at it. Demo day number like 5, I think? 18, I like it. 18? Yes. And we are taking out the remnants of the carpet, which is a pain in the butt. Pity laugh. Okay. Okay, stage 1 in the RV renovation, the demo, is done. As you can see in the video, it was a lot of labor intensive work. So 3 things to make it a little easier.
Here's the first one.
Here's the first one. So, don't clean before you start your demo.
Oh. Yeah, here's the second.
Here's the second one. Removing carpet from an RV is not fun. So just be prepared for a lot of pulling, tugging, and a lot of work. But you can get it done. You can do this. Okay.
The third thing.
Don't pull the staples out one at a time. Rookie mistake.
Oh.
Yeah, they make a tool that makes it easy. You can just scrape all the stuff off, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, Dad didn't tell me that until later.
Yeah.
Yeah, Dad.
Yeah.
All right, so go get her done. I hope you were inspired
Not
by
yet.
ours.
I want to do more.
You want to do more?
Yeah.
Well, we are. Stay tuned for the next one.